Yeah, okay. All right, this is practice for the exponential page. There's only 4 problems and it's a 20-point assignment and it's your makeup work. If you didn't do it, if you're missing it in Schoology in the grade book, this is the one you're going to want to work on. So it's just 1 page. The first question has to do with house prices and what the final amount you're going to owe is. So I'm going to do something similar. So it says, let's say you buy a house, and in this case, for our example, I'm going to say the house is worth $260,000. Okay, so that's the cost of the house, and then it says it appreciates at a rate of, let's say, 5% per year. And it says, how much is the house worth in 10 years? What is it worth in 10 years? All right, so you take the initial amount. So if we want to find out, the A is the final amount. And in this case, it's a growth function. Are you laughing because of the dog? So that's my dog barking, if you hear him. It's probably because the mail carrier is here. All right, so A is the final amount that we're trying to figure out. P is the principal. In this case, it's $260,000. 1 is the number 1 plus the rate, and the rate we have to write as a decimal. So 5%, if you divide 5 by 100, you're going to get 0.05. So that's 5% as a decimal. God darn it. Hang on. 0.05. That's going to be your rate, which equals R in the formula. And it's a growth function because it's growing, it's appreciating, okay? So in this case, our final amount is going to be 260,000 times 1 plus 0.05 raised to the 10 for 10 years, okay? So if you put that in your calculator, I have no idea what you're going to get, but you can put it in your calculator and figure it out. You can simplify it. If you put it in your calculator at home, you would say 260,000 times, right, 1.05 raised to the 10th power. So that's going to be your formula. That's going to be your solution. You have to put it in your calculator on your own, okay? The next one talks about hair, and he's losing 20% of his hair. So let's do an example for the next one, where it's going to be a decay function. So the decay function, let's say someone is losing 15% of their money, okay? And they have, let's say, $2,000. And they're losing 15% a year. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's money, if it's hair on your head, whatever, okay? So this is a decay function. So your initial value is the P. So P equals initial amount, or starting value, which in this case equals $2,000. So it's going to be 2,000 times 1 minus 0.15 raised to the 10. Okay, so 1 minus 2,000, 0.85 to the 10th power. That's going to tell you how much money you have after 10 years. It's not going to be much. Okay, so those are 2 examples. There's only 4 questions on this page. So this should help you. If it doesn't, then I don't know, I guess try to FaceTime me sometime or email me and we'll set up an appointment, okay? But that should help. All right, bye.